freaking out. मेरे thighs stretch करने लगता है. Again she's like, मैं समझ नहीं आता. Head is in 2 parts. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching me for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel because I'm really fun. So this is my sister, and today we are going to talk about most creepy experiences with men. So one by one we will tell our stories and you get to judge which was the most freaking out story. This is not a story time but stories time. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi guys, I'm Riddhi Tiwari. Okay, introduction.
So I go first, you go first.
You.
Okay, dear.
Clearly you are the more excited one.
Okay, so this incident happened with me like 3 days before, 3 days ago. So usually मतलब ऑफिस के बाद मैं ऐसे नॉर्मली रैपिडो किया मैंने. मैं देखती हूँ ये थोड़ा वियर्ड सा तो है आदमी जो मतलब आया हुआ है मुझे लेने के लिए. तो मेरी ऑफिस के बिल्डिंग के जस्ट नीचे आ रहा था, तो गार्ड्स ने उसको वहाँ रोका कि पीछे जाइए, यहाँ पे अंदर नहीं अलाउड है. तो उसके हमने उसको देखा और फिर हम हंसने लगे क्योंकि मतलब मेरी दोस्त भी खड़ी थी. हमने कहा भाई पागल है, थोड़ा ओवर एक्साइटेड है. फिर उसके बाद मैं गई और नॉर्मली मैं बैठ गई. फिर मुझसे नॉर्मल क्वेश्चंस पूछने लगा, जैसे आप किधर से हो. तो उसके बाद मैंने कहा ये तो रैपिडो काफ़ी अब पूछते हैं, तो मैंने कहा मैं तो उत्तर प्रदेश से हूँ ऐसे करके. ठीक है, बोल दिया. अभी बंदा मुझसे बोलता है कि आप मुझे रास्ता, ऐसे ही बोल रहा है वो, मैं आई एम नॉट इवन किडिंग, वो ऐसे ही बोल रहा है, आप मुझे रास्ता गाइड कर दोगे ना. एंड आई एम लाइक हाँ सर मुझे पता है रास्ता, बट आपको गूगल मैप में दिख रहा होगा ना, मैं तो पीछे मत रही हूँ.
Yeah, first of all, this is very annoying.
हाँ, this is very annoying.
I'm either rapido person or you are supposed to take me there.
और फिर हम अपना रील स्क्रॉल कर रहे हैं पीछे बैठ करके और मुझे मन भी नहीं बताने का. अब वो मुझसे पूछने लगता है तो हाउ लॉन्ग इट हैज़ बीन दैट यू आर इन हियर इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी. एंड आई एम लाइक कि मुझे काफ़ी टाइम हो गया है. और फिर मैं मतलब ऐसे बता नहीं रही हूँ डिटेल में कि चीज़ें उसको. अभी मुझको पूछता है कि यहाँ पे अप्लाई किससे करते हैं जॉब के लिए. तो मैंने सोचा कि यार ये जॉब के लिए ढूंढ रहा है क्या. ठीक है, मैं इसको मतलब मैंने कहा सर मुझे नहीं पता, दे रीच्ड आउट टू मी, तो मुझे नहीं पता कि मैंने कैसे अप्लाई करते हैं, बट आप देख सकते हो लिंक्डइन वगैरह में आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. जब मैं उसको बोल रही हूँ लेफ्ट, तो जानबूझ के राइट 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 जानबूझ करके ये सब हरकतें कर रहा है. राइट मुड़ जाए, नहीं सर लेफ्ट लेफ्ट ऐसे ऐसे कर रहा है. ठीक है, अब वो क्या करता है, हियर कम्स द मेन पॉइंट. अब ये बंदा क्या करता है, मैं ऐसे बैठी होती हूँ, मैं फ़ोन चला रही थी, अब ये मेरे थाई स्ट्रेच करने लगता है. अब ये मेरे घुटनों और थाई सुन लगता है. 1-2 सेकंड के लिए थोड़ा ऐसे हो जाती हूँ कि भाई ये छू क्यों रहा है, बट फिर आई एम लाइक कि नहीं. फिर मैं इसको हाथ ऐसे हटा देती हूँ. वो क्या बोलता है, ओ आर यू नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. हाँ, I'm like what? I want to end my ride right here. You drop me here. What do you mean? Are you not interested? मैं वीडियो डालूंगी. सेम बोल रही हूँ. Not interested. हाँ, not तो ये बंदा सब बकचोदी करता है मेरे साथ. अब वो मेरा क्रॉच देख रहा है, घूर रहा है ऐसे करके, और मुझे इतना वियर्ड लग रहा है. एंड आई वांट टू लेट इट क्राई. एंड आई एम लाइक आई डोंट नो व्हाई यू लुकिंग. और वो मुझसे बात कैसे कर रहा है जैसे वो मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड हो, क्योंकि मैं उतर गई हूँ बीच रोड में और बाकी देख रहे हैं लोग. तो वो मुझसे बात ऐसे कर रहा है जैसे वो मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड है. उसे बॉयफ्रेंड बनाते नहीं है. विदुषी कम हियर. विदुषी,
He's calling you Vidushi.
He's calling me Vidushi and he's like Vidushi come here. I lose my shit. I'm peeing my pants right now. ठीक है. Then I'm like कि बहन चूत ये क्या बात कर रहा है वो. And I start running and he's like okay you can pay me if you don't want to. I'm like yes of course, give me a scanner. He's like no I don't have the scanner. How you want to pay now? He asks me how are you going to pay now? How you want to pay? And then वो sarcastic सा वे कि स्कैनर नहीं है मेरे पास, मैं तो गूगल पे नहीं चला रहा हूँ, कैसे पे करना चाहोगे तुम. And I'm like then I start running and I'm like no. I'll attach the clip here. Do I give you the payment? I don't have the cash. No.
I can't believe this is real.
Alright. Okay, now your turn.
I can't think of any incidents of mine after this trauma. Oh yes, once. I don't think it's that dramatic, but it's the most recent one, I think. So once what happened was, I was coming back from work and I was wearing a shirt full sleeves just so that my outfits could have been the problem, and it could have, you know, made me look different from the crowd. I was wearing a full sleeve shirt, I was wearing my pants, I was carrying a office ka bag, and I was walking like a very good girl with earphones in my ears. I was literally just walking back home. And then there was this one northeastern kind of guy looks at me, and then he's like, wow, what? And then I looked at him, and he looked like someone who does this for like on a daily basis, because he had a blue eye. So probably someone had beaten
punched him on his face.
Someone had probably beaten this man up. He had a blue eye, and he was like tying some cloth around his head, and he was not wearing normal clothes. He was wearing some as if he was some villager, that kind of clothes. And then I looked at him, and this following me, right? Following me! And there are so many men who can see that I am uncomfortable and I am walking very... So I can't really run, because I know this man is following me, and if I start running, he'll start running. So I'm walking, and मैं जितनी बार पीछे देख रही हूँ उतनी बार वो पैर चोट मेरे पीछे आ रहा है, और वैसे करके
The fuck?
Yeah, and I get so anxious, so anxious. And then हमारे घर पे वो 2 गेट थे ना, ऐसे मेन गेट खोलो फिर अंदर। मैंने वो मेन गेट खोला और मैं उसको पीछे देख रही हूँ, he's still fucking following me. I come inside, I close the door, and then I'm opening my gate.
Oh my god, imagine he barges into your...
Until the moment like I opened my actual घर का door and I was going inside, I looked to my right and he was standing on the main door. He was standing on the main door.
I forgot to tell this only. So that Rapido guy, I go and say no. Now this guy doesn't cancel the ride. And I'm just thinking कि what if he is at my home, and I reach there and he's standing there, because मैंने घर का एड्रेस डाला था of course ड्रॉप करने के लिए ऑफिस के बाद, और मैं 45
Was
minutes...
this Rapido?
Yeah.
This Rapido people...
Rapido किसी को भी भर्ती कर रही है.
Rapido sucks, and these people do not take any actions. That's why I never book a Rapido. I always book like a Uber bike.
Yeah, at this point I am also not trusting Rapido. एक ही experience मुझे याद आया था. हाँ, मैं वो बताऊँ रिद्धि? I was about to get kidnapped.
Not creepy. That was us overthinking probably.
No, that guy was a druggist. Do you remember? I was crying. He was holding me. Omni van thi do.
Yeah. And we always used to think that and this bitch. Once I remember we did not go to school, and it was only you who went to school because you had some exam and we did not. And you stopped there to get something, biscuit or chips or something. And then this van also stopped and it opened the door.
Yeah!
And she had come back home so late. She had come back home so late. And you remember once you saw some accident and you came back.
Yeah! Oh my god!
Dying.
I cannot tell this story. That is like a big story. I need to keep it. Or should I tell it?
Tell.
Okay. So this one story where... Yeah, so I was very young, like in 7th standard, and I used to go to this tuition classes, क्योंकि दीदी लोग उधर जाते थे 10th के बोर्ड की कोचिंग करने, और इसलिए मम्मी पापा ने मेरी भी उधर कोचिंग करा दी थी. Now, मैं वहाँ पे boycott बाल थे मेरे, and I used to wear this tomboy जैसे clothes. तो I was just cycling and going, और ये अनामिका बेकरी, there was a very famous bakery, हम वहाँ पे जाकर पेटीज वगैरह खाते थे. तो मेरा बना हुआ था रूटीन कि मैं वहाँ जाऊंगी और पेटीज खाऊंगी. तो मैं वहां जा रही थी और मैं पेटीज खाने वाली थी कि मैं देखती हूँ कि 2 बुरखे में आंटीज और एक लड़की who was also wearing सलवार सूट, they are crossing the road. Okay, अब भी एक बंदा आता है, पता नहीं कैसे वो लड़की जो बिना बुरखे की थी वो भिड़ती है उस बाइक से, उसका सर लगता है. Now this brain is out and her like head is in 2 parts and the brain is out. And that woman, oh my god, that girl is like, उसकी पूरी बॉडी अकड़ गई, she's legit अकड़ गई, and then she's like shaking, and then I'm like, my heart sinks and I start crying, and I'm like, what the fuck did I see? Bro, I didn't speak for 1 week, okay? I was in depression, legit. Ask her if you don't believe me. So I was like so freaked out कि ये क्या हो गया. ना सबने उस लड़के को रोक लिया, उसके साथ में जो बुरखे वाली आंटियां थी वो अपना बुरखा हटा दी और वो ऐसे चिल्ला रही हैं हाय अल्लाह करके. नो मातम मच रहा है उधर बीच रोड में, और मैं वहाँ पर गई थी बस पेटीज खाने, बट मैं वहां पे खड़ी हुई हूँ, ये सब देख रही हूँ. एंड देन एज अ किड यू आर नॉट दैट स्ट्रॉन्ग कि मतलब आप ऐसे खून और भेजा बाहर देख लो. भाई मेरी फट गई लेजिट.
She also was crying, standing there.
या और अब क्या होता है, सबको लगता है कि मैं वहां खड़े होकर रो रही हूँ तो मैं भी उनके साथ हूँ. 10 मिनट बाद एम्बुलेंस आती है, उसको डाल रहे हैं, मुझे भी बैठा रहे हैं उसके साथ कि इसका भाई है, इसको अंदर बैठा. मैंने कहा नहीं, मैं नहीं जानती उन लोगों को, मैं नहीं जानती हूँ. कितना समझाने के बाद मैं वहां से भागती हूँ. बट मुझे लेजिट साइकिल चलाने का मन नहीं हो रहा था क्योंकि मुझे इतना डर लग रहा था कि मैं घर तक जाऊंगी, ऐसा ना हो कि मेरी भी बैंड बज जाए, मुझे कोई ठोक दे, मैं भी ऐसे तो. मुझे सपने में वो लड़की आती थी. भाई मैं इतना डर गई थी. मुझे बहुत फटती है. मुझे भूत से भी तो ऑलरेडी फटती है और वो देखने के बाद तो मेरी और फटने लगी है. वो बताते हैं, वो बताते हैं, नाम लेती है.
नाम ले दिया तो तुम बिलीव कर रहे तेरी माँ की कोई तेरे से शादी नहीं करेगा.
साले तुझे क्या लगता है हमें समझ नहीं आता है? सब दिमाग है हमारे पास.
उस वक्त छोटे थे, अब नहीं है.
अब नहीं
जिस
है.
दिन तू दिख गया उस दिन तेरी
पीठ नहीं, उस दिन तेरी भैन के टके तो डाल के खोल देंगे अंदर.
We used to stay in this house and before every Diwali I think we used to have this whitewashing ceremony literally.
पुताई.
The same was happening at that time also. So since we were kids we never used to like help our parents out, but at that time we used to like increase उनका काम और भी ज़्यादा because कभी we are hungry, कभी we want to play, कभी we want water, something.
पर उस टाइम जो पापा बाहर से खाना लाते थे उसका स्वाद अलग ही होता था. वो खाना
Some
आज तक
gravy,
या
some
वो
gravy.
खाना अभी तक मेरे मुंह के अंदर. वो अचार भी,
Yeah.
वो अचार, वो ग्रेवी में,
और वो प्याज
वो
सिरके
पनीर,
वाले.
वो पनीर की जो ग्रेवी होती है. या नेक्स्ट.
So फिर मम्मा पापा ने बोला कि so we had this one neighbor used to stay in the same lane. तुम्हें इसे bleep out करना पड़ेगा वरना हमारे घोड़े खोल दिए जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो वैसे bleep out नहीं करना है तो नहीं. You should know both of your sisters should know, your mom should know कि तुम कितने amazing हो. Okay,
Yeah.
You should
and
rather
what
know.
you used to do with small girls.
Kids.
Literally threw on you. I say it out loud. Threw on you. I remember every fucking touch.
Yeah, so then this guy we used to go to play to this house. Okay? Since we were kids, these two Didis used to play with us a lot. Okay. Now these two Didis had a brother also. So this one particular day I remember this guy was at his home and we had gone to play. So we were looking for these two Didis but they were not home. So this guy was like, okay fine, let's all play hide and seek. So हमारी एक और बचपन की दोस्त है मान्या. She also has the same experience with this stupid motherfucker. I also have the same experience. She also has the same experience. My
sister. We are
twin
three
sister.
sisters. So
My twin sister also has the same experience. Okay. So this guy used to one by one like send either one of us for like doing the counting, and then one by one he used to hide
Each one of us.
And then like he used to use that as an excuse to like touch you here and there. He would literally put his hands under your shirt,
T-shirts
under
and
your t-shirts. He'll hold you inappropriately. He'll hold your hands inappropriately. And I used to find it so weird and I never used to understand.
Breathe near our neck and
Yeah,
all.
and I never used to understand it. Why am I not liking this? What is happening?
Yeah,
What
we
is
were
happening?
very small.
We were very
If you are thinking कि हम लोग
young.
ऐसे third, fourth standard में होंगे,
No.
We were in like LKG.
You were probably in LKG and we were like probably in PG or first.
Yeah.
P-
बताओ.
We were in modern school only. We were not in St.
हाँ
Thomas.
मॉडर्न स्कूल में पढ़ते थे और मैं सेंट थॉमस में थी. I remember LKG. We were
Yeah,
very
very young.
small, very young, and he used to do this to us. I mean, imagine आप 3 साल की बच्ची और ये लोग 5 साल की होंगी. 5 साल 3 साल के बच्चों के साथ ऐसे कर रहे हो. मतलब
की रिमेम्बर हमारा
आई रिमेम्बर दिस वन थिंग कि वो जो गद्दा नहीं उनके पास ऐसे बेडिंग्स रखी होती थी उधर पे वी यूज्ड टू लाइक हाइड अंडर द गद्दा and then he's putting his hand inside my t-shirt and everything.
Imagine a fucking probably 3-4 year old she was.
Yeah, imagine that sucks. You were saying something.
Remember हम लोग जब रिक्शे में जाते थे तो it was something where a man used to follow us and he had given us some mithai
King too.
and then Papa ने हम लोगों को ट्रैक किया था for 2 days to
Yeah.
see if that man is still following us.
कि हमारे मेरे बच्चे थे
जे
मर गए.
Psycho!
Oh my god! I remember his face. You remember? I remember his face. I remember his bachche.
So it was winters.
Oh my
It was. I think Gopal was the one. Gopal had lost his shit. Why?
Oh my god! हम लोग ऐसी जगह से आते हैं ना जहाँ पे रोज मर रहे इतने कार्ड होते हैं. कानपुर.
Every day is a drama. Okay, one normal winter morning.
रिक्शे में.
And we used to
वैसे
go.
वाला रिक्शा.
And we used to go. By the way, a side story, when Vidushi was very young, no, she had boycott hair, and our mom used to.
No, but that is for later. That is for later.
No, this is my personal creepy experience. So our mom used to oil her hair, okay, every morning, and she had boycott hair. So when it used to be winters, no, she used to, like, we had this rickshaw which had like probably 4 seats inside the rickshaw and then 2 seats on each side outside the rickshaw. So she was very, like, she was a fan of sitting outside, okay. Now in the morning, when it was way too cold and everything, she used to sit outside and we could see that her hair has frozen. The coconut oil on her hair has frozen. Like, you could touch it and it could probably
Tight.
prick your finger. Okay, it used to be that fucking frozen. And then whenever we used to meet her during the lunchtime, we could see everything melting.
Oh my god! But still, I had my fans, boy fans. I still had my fans.
No, boys are not fans. Boys used to be scared of her initially.
No, why would?
Yeah, shut up. Boys used to be fucking scared of her when she was in school.
I mean, imagine that is such a.
In the morning, we were in the rickshaw and we were going, okay? So now there is this guy, puts his bike in front of our rickshaw and he stops it. And he's like begging us, ki nahi, please ruk jao, please ruk jao. And our rickshaw wale uncle are smarter than the kids inside, like, obviously. But he stops us and then he takes out some mithai ka dabba and then he's trying to feed that mithai to all of us. And obviously all of us know ki koi stranger kuch aise mithai hai to nahi khana chahiye. And then that man starts fucking crying.
Yeah.
He's crying, howling कि मेरी family थी, मेरे बच्चे मर गए, मेरे भी तुम्हारे जैसे छोटे छोटे बच्चे थे वो मर गए.
And he's like touching us and saying.
And one of us was such an asshole. He fucking bought this story and he's like feeling sad and everything कि नहीं शायद से सच में उनके family में कुछ हो गया होगा, उनके बच्चे मर गए होंगे. And he's going to fucking go eat that mithai.
And he was like, no!
And his sister was like, कि नहीं Gopal, don't do it. And this stupid idiot.
याद है इशिता और आर्यन भी थे हमारे बीच से. हम सबकी फट गई भाई कि ये सब क्या हो रहा है. और फिर उस दिन स्कूल जाकर के तुमने सबको वो सुनाया भाई.
Yeah, and then we saw him 2-3 times again, I think.
हमारे पापा फिर हमें फॉलो करते थे और आते थे हमारे साथ स्कूल जब हम लोग को अंकल छोड़ने आते थे सुबह और जब लेने आते थे हमें. क्योंकि भाई क्या हो उस मिठाई के अंदर, क्या काला जादू कर रहा हो भाई हमारे ऊपर. Who knows? And this is very serious भाई.
And why would you randomly stop a
bunch of kids?
Yeah, school going kids. Why would you stop a rickshaw of school going kids and just feed them this? Why? Go to some orphanage, donate something to kids if you are.
What if his main goal was like कि इन बच्चों को जितना मार्क्स मिलता है सब कैलकुलेट करके प्लस करके मेरे बच्चों को आएगा.
Some like the academic years have done something to her, guys.
Yeah, exactly. आज के लिए इतना ही.
Yeah, story तो हमारे घर में रोज की होती थी.
बहुत सारी स्टोरी थी हमारे पास.
फिर हम लोग बताएंगे कैसे हम लोग एक बार घर से भाग गए थे.
Oh yeah, of course, yeah. ठीक है, अब हम इनको बाय बोलेंगे. Bye. We hope you enjoyed this video. Ta-da. Subscribe to my channel, please.